and galar ta ortsa. Okay. So the next one. Stanchi vrama vir krocha mala last year than lava. So stanchi, she stared, vrama on the frame, vi krocha that was hanging, mala on the wall, last year than lava behind the bed. Actually, put some water in here. Hang on. Okay. So sentence 13. So stanchi vrama. So she stared at the frame. A vi krocha that was hanging. The word kroch is hang. Okay. Huh? A krocha. Yeah, and there's a difference in Irish between egg krocha and krocha. Egg krocha means hanging, like you're hanging something. So if you're hanging the frame up, then you talk to egg krocha. Krocha describes the state something's in, like it's hanging on the wall. Tasha krocha. Okay, you can't say tasha egg krocha mala. That means that you can say tame egg krocha picture mala. I'm hanging a picture on the wall, but tame egg krocha mala means I'm hanging on the wall. Okay, all right. It's like we had in the other one with egg shul as opposed to shul. Egg shul means walking. Shul means basically like turned on or running. Okay, not running like literally running, but okay. So a TV cannot be egg shul. Okay, unless it's got legs. Okay, but it can be shul if it's turned on. Okay, you sort of have to. You can't just stick air with any word. Only certain ones do that. Okay. So krocha is a good one to run into. Okay. So krocha, and mala. The word for wall is bala. On the wall is and mala. Okay. Last year, the laba is behind the bed. We had the words lasm. Je means inside something. We had that one last. I don't remember how to say outside. Sorry, that's outside. Remember how to say inside? Lasche. Lasche de. To be inside something is lasche de. So lasche gen Christian or something like that. Lasme gen Christian is outside the kitchen. Lasche gen Christian is inside the kitchen. Last year gen Christian would be behind the kitchen. Okay? So there's a bunch of these. We're not going to go into all of them now. Okay, it's the ones we've done. Okay. So stanchi vrama vir krocha mala last year gen laba. Okay. Number 14. Ischan vi fotachoit war jehek Geall-Cuid €1 in Iaka egen Gran Purnashunta le Kola Moshe. Okay, first of all, ischi on means inside it. Literally, it comes from ischi. It comes from ischi e. E becomes on. That's the word. If you look actually on your little chart there and you have one and you look under the word it for in, you'll see that the one for...
What chart are you talking
about? One of those, one of these. Actually, I'll talk about charts in a second. Yeah, Kathleen brought some charts, so if you want to buy one of these ones, you can get them for $10. At the break, you can look at them if you're interested. But ischi it combined with it becomes on. So ischi on is inside of it. Okay.
I lost it to LA.
The where?
Ishte. Versus Lishte.
Oh, last je means inside of something. Ishte on means inside it. Okay. And kind of have to get a feeling for when you use one as opposed to the other. Okay. You can also read this like inside there. V, there was photocopy war. So photocopy is a copy, a photocopy, large. Geall-Cuid of a check, Cuig million euro, 5 million euro. In Iaka means payable, and use egg with whoever has to pay it. Egg in Grand Pour Nashunta is the national lottery. Le is 2 here, Le Kol Moshe. So, before we take a break, first of all, talk about when you have an adjective like more, meaning large. In Irish it comes after the word. So a big cup is coupon more. And going down the second sentence there, a big glass is glina war. And the reason it's that way is the coupon is masculine and glass is feminine, so you unite the adjective after a feminine noun. So glina war. Shaklaj, hey, we have is hot chocolate, because the word che becomes united. Now when you have a plural, it's a little different. First of all, the word for more becomes mora, which is plural of big, for more than one thing. And it gets united after, basically, usually after masculine nouns in the plural, so kupoin mora. Yeah, it's actually a little bit more complicated than that. And big glass is glini mora. So kind of like the thing we did with the genitives, things do the opposite in the plural than they do in the singular. It's a little bit more involved than that, but the other thing is the word iak means to pay. Iakha means paid, okay? And in iakha means payable, okay? And Irish has 3 prefixes you can put on words, in, so, and do. Okay, so if you have the word jainta means done, the way you say feasible or doable, in jainta. And the word, if you put the so prefix on, means easily done, so yanta. And the word do in front makes it not doable or impossible, do yanta. Okay? So a lot of words, English we have pretty much sort of like two versions. We can say something is doable and not doable, right? So we have like possible and impossible, edible and inedible. Irish has 3 levels. So Irish has the like itch is eaten, in itch is edible, and if so itch is like easily eatable.